Shrimp has been harvested and eaten for thousands of years. According to local oral tradition, the modern commercial industry traces its roots to Fernandina, a small fishing community in the northeast corner of Florida.
The thing that I kind of get about Fernandina is that it's sort of to the shrimping industry what Detroit was to the automobile. It wasn't invented there or here, but all of the major technological breakthroughs and improvements kind of were directly or indirectly associated with Fernandina.